Perched high above the valley, this 600-yard luxury smart house is a masterpiece of modern living blended with nature. The wide smart entrance welcomes you with an elegant fusion of stone, wood and glass. The living room opens into breathtaking panoramic views of the valley below. The smart kitchen and dining area bring luxury and technology together in the heart of nature. The bedrooms are designed as private sanctuaries with floor-to-ceiling views of the mountains. Step outside to the infinity deck, where the mountain meets luxury. At night, the house glows like a jewel in the mountains, powered by smart automation. This is more than a house. It's a smart retreat in the mountains, where luxury meets nature.